Hi everyone. Since today we'll learn how to move your local project to GitHub in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, currently I'm on github.com and here simply go to repositories. And you can see I only got one repository, and in the Visual Studio Code I got a project. I want to push this project to GitHub, but before that make sure you have installed Git in your operating system. I've already created a video on this topic, so link of that video will be in the description, so please do check it out. If you're done installing Git in your operating system, then you're good to go. You simply need to go to GitHub and here create a repository. Click on new button. Let's give it a name, test. Scroll a bit and here you will find this create button. Click on it. And here you will find a couple of commands. We need to run these commands in Visual Studio Codes one by one in the terminal. So let's start with this. Git init to initialize the Git repository. In the Visual Studio Code, go to View, click on Terminal. Let's maximize it. You can see by default it picks PowerShell. Simply click on this down arrow. Click on Git Bash. Close the PowerShell terminal by clicking on this delete icon. Now paste the command that we copied. Git init. Press the enter key. So Git is initialized. Now we need to add all these files to the staging area. Type git space add and dot. Press enter key. Now we need a commit message. Simply copy this, paste it here, press enter. Now we need a branch. Simply copy this, paste here, enter. So the branch is main. Next we need to add the origin. Simply copy it, paste here, enter. And this is the last and final one. Simply copy it, paste and enter. So finally we are done pushing a local project to GitHub. Now let's go to GitHub, refresh the page, and here you will find all the files. So I hope you understood how to push your local project to GitHub in Visual Studio Code. See you next video. Have a nice day.